This is my second visit and my third collaboration with the research park. We are very happy. It's a very reliable partner. What we are trying and intending to do is to put together researchers from the academia world, the startup from the ecosystems, regarding the needs of the corporates and large company, wherever they are French companies or Indian company working with this French company. And the IITMRP Research Park is a perfect place to bridge people, put people together, and to increase the collaboration. And this is what we are expecting through different actions we are doing. Whatever it is the Indo-French Innovation Network, we organize here late April and July, or during conferences such as the one we are doing today.
Wonderful.
The workshop was just amazing. We heard many experts in different domains, some solar, battery, and there was also a battery management system about recycling of batteries, so it was very interesting. And I think this workshop is very interesting because it's gathering French and Indian experts on domains, and we can see the differences in the approach sometimes, because the issue, the concern are not exactly the same. The climate is not same, the temperature is not same, the sunlight is not same. So obviously the both approach are very interesting in that sense, that we can learn from each other what to do and how to handle these problems concerning the renewable energy, and to implement them. So I think it's very practical and very informative. So
wonderful. Thank you.